Hey guys, the first thing you want to do is spray your child's hair down with some water and olive oil. Then you're going to part a small section in the front of their hair. Depending on how full you want the bang, you can part it bigger or smaller. It's really up to you. Then you just want to brush the remaining part into a ponytail. Then you want to use any kind of moisturizer and do some 2-strand twists. Now, if you want to, you can leave your baby's hair like this. It's really cute also, but normally you would just wait until it dries fully and then unravel the twist. So you just wait like 5-10 minutes and unravel them. And then you have a nice and easy, cute, quick hairstyle. From that style, what we're gonna do is just part the section that was out, just make it a little bigger so that that middle portion can go into a ponytail. Then with the back part, you're gonna part it in half and then put them in 2 ponytails. And you will have a total of 3 ponytails. Just add your bow and your baby hairs, and she'll be good to go. For the next style, we're just gonna do the go-to ponytail. All I'm gonna do is spray it down with water and literally brush it up, and I'll just move it a little to the side, that way it isn't directly centered in her hair. It just looks so much more girly to me when it's on the side. And then just add your bow and you'll be good to go. Don't forget the baby hairs. For the last style we're gonna do, all we're gonna do is part her hair from ear to ear and then throw it in 2 quick, easy ponytails. One at the top and one in the back. You guys see that though? Ew. This little girl is a character. But from here, all you gotta do is add your bows and baby hairs and your child is good to go. And that'll be the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in our next video.